Today, we're exploring the journey of Karl Bushby, the British adventurer and former paratrooper who has spent over 27 years attempting to become the first person to walk an unbroken path around the world. His Goliath Expedition has been an epic test of human endurance, involving treacherous crossings and decades of visa struggles. So, where is Karl Bushby now? Let's find out. Karl Bushby began his journey on the 1st of November 1998, departing from Punta Arenas, Chile. His mission was to walk 36,000 miles back to his hometown of Hull, England, without using any form of transport, not even a ferry. Over the years, he has traversed the length of the Americas and made a harrowing crossing of the frozen Bering Strait into Russia, where he faced years of legal battles and entry bans that nearly ended his quest. After being stuck at the Russian-Chinese border for years, Bushby recently completed one of his most dangerous milestones. In late 2024, to bypass the closed borders of Iran and Russia, he swam 186 miles across the Caspian Sea from Kazakhstan to Azerbaijan, accompanied by a support team. This feat allowed him to finally reconnect his walking path to Europe. As of late 2025, Karl Bushby is in Central Europe, currently walking through Slovakia. He crossed the Bosphorus Bridge into Europe in May 2025 and has since trekked through Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, and Hungary. Where is Karl Bushby now? As of now, Karl Bushby is moving through the final 1,000 miles of his journey. He reached Bratislava in early December and is currently heading toward the Austrian border. He remains in high spirits as he nears the finish line, though he faces one final logistical hurdle: the English Channel. To maintain his unbroken rule, he is currently negotiating with authorities for permission to walk through the Channel Tunnel's service tunnel. If denied, he has stated he will attempt to swim the channel to reach British soil. He expects to finally walk into his hometown of Hull by September 2026. Karl Bushby has transformed from a young soldier into a global symbol of perseverance. Having spent more than half his life on the road, he is now just months away from completing the longest walk in human history. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on incredible survival stories and where these adventurers are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.